Welcome to the MEDevice Africa EquipNet platform, a smarter, streamlined way to manage medical equipment and service workflows. Whether you're managing a facility, servicing equipment, or overseeing procurement, EquipNet connects your team on one seamless digital platform. In this demo, we'll show you how to register a health facility, request equipment servicing, review job assessments, and flexible access to devices.
Registering a health facility.
Start by signing up with your facility's official email address. This email does more than grant access. It verifies your identity and connects your profile to your facility within the EquipNet network, our secure system for supporting verified healthcare providers. During registration, you'll provide essential details like your facility name, location, contact person, and facility level. This helps EquipNet tailor support to your size needs and service history. Once submitted, check your email for a verification email. Click the link inside to activate your account. This one-time step confirms your identity and opens up your personalized workspace.
Adding equipment.
Now that your facility account is active, the next step is building your digital equipment inventory. This process ensures every medical device in your care is documented, traceable, and fully integrated into EquipNet for seamless service management. Start by manually adding the equipment your facility currently owns. For each item, provide key details such as equipment name and category, manufacturer and model number, serial number, year of purchase or estimated age, and current location within the facility. You can also upload supporting documents like device pictures, service logs, or warranty information to centralize your records. This level of detail enables EquipNet to provide tailored insights such as upcoming service schedules, device lifecycle tracking, performance trends, and maintenance alerts. By keeping your inventory updated, you empower your team to make data-driven decisions, reduce downtime, and extend the lifespan of your medical equipment.
Renting an equipment.
From your dashboard, select Buy, Lease, or Rent Equipment. You'll be taken to a catalog showcasing available medical devices. Click on your preferred item. Enter the number of months you'd like to rent it for, then hit Submit Rent Request. That's it. Your request is sent to our support team for processing.
Buying an equipment.
Select Buy, Lease, or Rent Equipment from your dashboard. Browse the catalog and choose the device you want to buy. Click on it, review the details, and submit your purchase request.
Requesting a service.
Start from the main dashboard and click on Request a Biomed. Fill in the details such as device category, device name, type of service, facility unit and location, preferred date and time, your contact number, and a brief service description. Once submitted, the MEDevice team reviews your request and initiates the next steps, keeping you informed throughout the process.
Accepting bids.
To review the biomedical engineer's bidding for the job, go to Service Requests from the left-hand menu on your main dashboard. At the bottom, you will see a list of engineers who've bid, along with their profiles and proposed terms. Compare the options, then choose the engineer best suited for the task. Once selected, the winning bidder is notified and assigned to your request.
Reviewing job cards.
Once a biomedical engineer completes a service task, they document the work by uploading a job card. This includes details such as the issue addressed, work performed, parts replaced, time spent, and any follow-up recommendations. To review the job, go to the Service Requests section from your dashboard, find the relevant request, and open the submitted job card. Review it carefully to confirm that the service was completed as expected, and that all details align with your initial request. If you have any concerns, you can flag them directly within the platform for follow-up. Once satisfied, proceed to rate the biomedical engineer based on the quality of work, communication, and turnaround time. Your feedback helps maintain high service standards.
MEDevice Africa EquipNet brings your entire equipment lifecycle into one connected platform, making it easier to manage assets, request services, and evaluate biomedical engineers, keeping your facility running smoothly.